Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down former President Donald Trump's tax proposals for his 2024 campaign. There's a lot to unpack, so let's dive right in. First up, corporate income tax. Trump wants to lower the corporate income tax rate from 21% to somewhere between 20% and 15% for domestic production. The idea here is to incentivize businesses to keep their manufacturing in the U.S., boosting jobs and economic growth. Next, he's looking at expanding the child tax credit. Trump proposes increasing it to a $5,000 universal credit. This could be a big help for families, putting more money back into the pockets of parents. Now, Social Security benefits. Trump is suggesting exempting Social Security benefits from taxation. For seniors relying on these benefits, this could mean more financial relief. Then there's the tariffs and trade aspect. Trump plans to impose a universal baseline tariff on all U.S. imports and a hefty 60% tariff on imports from China. The goal is to protect American businesses from foreign competition. But there are concerns that this could lead to higher prices for consumers. Another proposal is a tax credit for family caregivers. This could provide financial support for those taking care of a loved one, recognizing the important role caregivers play. And finally, Trump wants to create a deduction for auto loan interest. This could be a game changer for car buyers, making financing a vehicle a bit more affordable. It's important to remember that these proposals are just that, proposals. They might change as they go through the political process. For the latest updates, keep an eye on reputable sources like the Tax Foundation. So, what do you think about these plans? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.